Okay, so first thing we're going to need to do, remove a couple T20 Torx screws. And once those are out, fairly simple to remove this thing. You just basically grab a pull. There's a bunch of pressure clips behind there, like that out. And that lets us take this whole assembly out. And underneath here, we've got a bunch of different this next one, I'm actually just going to pull over. And that's see, we want to remove this whole metal piece here. So it's like, we've got a whole bunch of little screws on those things here and here. On the other radio, also got this little bracket piece here anyway. So I would say, take these out, we'll figure out what we're going to need. Right, so first remove these holes here.
I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast, like a roast, I can gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness, hilarious, you think you're with my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you are behind a fake exterior, inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior, get off of me, this ain't no humble brag, I want you to hear words, you can say them back, I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last.
I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Trying to learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence.
Alright, so now it's time to do all of our wiring. First thing I'm going to do is wire this microphone. It's actually easy. Just like sitting on my ear collar here. There's a wire back here. Hopefully you can cut some kind of back oil. I'm going to do that with a little bit.
Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. So I'm not giving up, no I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking it knowing I gotta
There we go over here for Apple CarPlay wiring. This is the little point here, little call right there. So we're going to go right
in a Gemini, that for several ages of vacant. Modern
kingdom, we're narrow racing. Yeah, that's good. Alright, we're going to set this thing up here. And we'll pick it up.
I never got anyone's help.
This is a little bit here. Might have to use a here and fish it through.
I don't ever slow up.
Alright, we're sticking down here and focus at the bottom.
I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this,
Alright, so now we have to cut one of this cable, but I'm just sort of leaning underneath the back of here. I'm working my way around. And I want to do is, I'm going to run this, you can see I'm just sticking underneath of this trim here, as I'm going along. I'm going to do that all the way along here, across all the way to the back, and then there's a couple ventilation ports on the back of the cap, and you can see the wires behind one. Alright, we're just going to route our antenna here. We're just going to place it on the center of our dash, but here, or like here, we're just going to put it right there. Alright, so we're just going to strip these down, and this one too. Alright, so that goes in there. Then we've got to wire up this one to this one. Strip these. Oops, we'll try that again. There we go. Alright, so we're going to plug this in right now. This is the blue micro USB into this gray one here. Just like that. We've got our radio antenna, which I'm guessing is this big one right here. That plugs in like that, so that's ready to go. Alright, and then this is for our microphone here. You can see where it says external microphone. That was our first thing installed. Plug that in. That's good to go. I've got this little speaker here, and we're just going to stick that in here somewhere. Just like that. Alright, we're going to hook up our main connection now. So we just line that up, plug that in. And now we're pretty much ready here to install our radio. Guys, here's all the connections that we made. All the numbers standard. The only thing to note is that there's only one 4-pin connector, and you're going to be plugging the Apple CarPlay connector in that. That's the Apple CarPlay before the video. That's going to connect your phone to the radio. So don't worry about this one. We plugged in earlier with the blue connector on it. That doesn't have free module, because that was nowhere to plug in. So we're just going to leave that side. We've got everything else plugged in. Antenna, GPS, that's got on. The rest are all basic connectors. And then this one here also plugs in. It goes in right here. Beside the other big one. Oh, sorry. No, it goes in over here. And yeah, that's all the plugins. We still have all the ones down for other things here, like our HVAC and the other stuff. So we're going to plug that in, and then we're just basically going to set those cables on radio and get this thing installed. So we're going to just into that. Right here. This one. Right, this one. Yes, please. Alright, last thing we gotta do is this one, which is the shortest one. So I'm just gonna stick that in there. Okay, we're plugged in. Try to route the cables. You can do like a little cable management if you want to, or you can zip tie some cables and do whatever you gotta do. That guy's a professional install right there. Let me just put our 2 screws in top, and we're almost ready to races. Alright, we just drilled some holes for this. We wanted to just reroute it so that we don't damage any wire. And then we'll screw it back in there. Oh, let me grab this cluster. Alright, so now we just gotta take the screws down. And let's go install that camera. Okay, so the only thing you're gonna need to hook up.
Of being incompetent, mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly